wants to know something. Note, JAMB like this question, number 7. At what temperature, right, are Celsius and Fahrenheit equal? At what temperature are what? Celsius and what? Fahrenheit equal? Look at our question very well. So, solution. You're a JAMB student, you don't have much time. So what are we going to do? Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit, right? So what formula are we going to use? The formula that converts degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, that's the formula we're going to use. Not the formula that converts. No. Take note. The formula that converts degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, that's what we're going to use, right? Now, at what this will be equal to this. So the formula that converts this to this, that's what we're going to use, which is F is equal to 9/5, right? Degree Celsius plus 32. Now, at what will this? So degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit, right? Therefore, degree Celsius will be equal to degree Fahrenheit. So this is what you are going to do now. Look at me. Please focus here. Let me focus the camera. Now, instead of this, you are going to substitute this with this. Let me write it again. So what we are going to do now is to what? Substitute this with Celsius, because Celsius is equal to this now. So Celsius will be 9/5 Celsius plus 32. Now note, some of you will go and start cross multiplying. It's wrong. Just adding. Simple algebra. What are we going to do? Multiply everything by the denominator, each side by the denominator. How are we going to do it? So multiply each side by the denominator. So if we are multiplying every side by the denominator, what are we going to get? 5 times c is 5c. 9 times, 5, since it's each side, 9, right? C, 9 times c is 9c, plus what? 32. Note, right? So we are multiplying this by this side and this by this side. So let's look at it very well. What are we going to do next? Collect like times. Let's collect like times, which is what? 5 degrees Celsius minus 9 degrees Celsius is equal to 5 times 32. Right? 5 times 32 is 160. Is equal to, simple substitution. This is looking like this topic now. What's the name of it? Like quadratic equation. Yeah. So what are we going to do? 5 minus 9 is what? Minus 4. Bring down your c. So is 4c. So what are we going to do? Divide both sides by 4 to get c. Make c the subject of the formula by dividing each side by 4. Right? So by minus 4, divide each side by minus 4. This will cancel this and the minus. C will be equal to, so 160 divided by minus 4 is what? Minus 40. You can say 160 divided by 4 is 40. Right? Then bring this minus. Plus divide by minus is what? Minus. Plus times minus is minus. take note. So this is the calculation on temperature conversion. Let's see our options. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit equal? This is a theory question. A, minus 32, B, minus 20, C, minus 40, D, 0 degrees Celsius. So is what? Somebody will be tempted because I see the temperature scale is from the measuring interval is from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. But no, the answer is 40. So let's take notes. Now we're going to move to heat.